Hi and welcome again. In this short video, we will review the Excel data type, currency option. So I have here a few currency pairs or currency denominations and their tickers. So what I will do is right here, I'm going to write down currency pairs. And I'm going to, let's say arbitrarily, let's use US dollar, euro. Let's say I want to use the Australian dollar and the British sterling pound and the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc. By the way, here I have a little mistake, intentional mistake that I want to use to show you how Excel will suggest you any data that it finds awkward or inaccurate. So I'm going to use this. As in other cases, when we use the data type function, I suggest that you define this as a table. It will make the information more visually appealing, and it's going to be more structured and easy to use. And in addition, the headers are going to be filled in correctly. So let's go ahead and define this as a table, insert table, and be sure to click on the header option. Now, next step, I'm going to go to data and currencies. So Excel will take a look at this and tell me, listen, the first two look okay, but I cannot find this one, the third one. What's this? So Excel is letting me know that I have an issue here. So in this case, I could say, well, maybe if I add the slash, no, that's not it. So the mistake I have here is that actually the yen is not a JYP, but actually it's JPY. So that's the correct ticker. So now that I have the right currency pairs, I have the visual display that they are okay, I can go ahead and add data as we did in other video capsules of stocks and similar. You can add different fields. Let's say I want to use the ticker symbol. I want to add the high and lows for the last year. Let's add those here. Let's add the change in money and percentage. Let's say I want to add whatever, the previous close, whatever you want to add here. And let's center this, and also we can go ahead and adjust the columns here so they can fit in nicely. And finally, let's just put this header in the right position, and that's it. So as you can see, the Excel data currency option here is quite useful. And again, you cannot, I mean, it's not mandatory to use the table function, but it's useful. I think it will display these headers right, and you can manage this the way you like. But that's it. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you in the next video.